Hey, Brian here from Cars in Tillsonburg, outside on a beautiful June 2018 day. Why don't we take a step back in time? Say 1957. What we have here is Frank Moore's fully restored 57 CHEV 2-door Bel Air hardtop. Frank has dropped this car off here for service, and we keep the service up on it. We've done a lot of work on the car. He had it restored to the shape that it's in right now. He brings it here for us to keep it on the road because Frank likes to enjoy this car and drive it. So come on in, we'll take a look at this. This car, no area of the car has went unrestored. It's just brought back to factory original or better. The fit and finish on the parts is a lot better than when it came from the factory. He's retained the stock interior. Pretty well everything on the car is stock. He's done a couple modern upgrades to it. Those things are for performance and for safety and comfort. It doesn't destroy the car, and there are things that you could go back to and change in a short period of time. So what we have under the hood here is a nice little 283 power pack option. It's 4GC Rochester carburetor, power pack heads. As you can see here, he's updated the brakes. We put disc brakes on the front with a power booster and a dual master cylinder. We're still back to your basic standard steering. As you see, everything's kept to look just like it came from the factory, but super reliable little combination here. It runs like a charm. It's got a 2-speed power glide transmission in it, the cast iron original transmission. So Frank said, well, you got it there, why don't you take a video and take it for a drive? And we said, why don't we? So here we go. Hear that sound? Isn't that amazing? Like, this is a 1957 automobile, and listen to this door shut. Listen, 2 fingers. Amazing. Okay, there's that till 283 just waiting to get down the road. So there's the old standard Armstrong power steering here. But once you're in motion, it's a lot easier to drive. Step out here and take it for a little stretch. The ride is so much better than when these things first came out. They had the bias tires on them, and the bias tires, if anybody remembers driving with bias tires before radials, they were bumpy, they were hard and noisy, they followed road cracks all over the place. So this is quite an upgrade. Just gonna take a venture down this way. What a beautiful day. Listen to that little 283. These were the first generation of small block Chevrolet. Millions of them produced, and there's still probably millions of them out there still going. So super reliable. This car sees a lot of car shows, and it's driven to car shows. Frank likes to enjoy his car. He still takes the utmost of care of it, and but he likes to drive it and let other people enjoy it too. We thank him for letting us take it for a drive today. Spin around here where it's nice and protected. Lots of room to turn one of these budbies around. And a nice dual exhaust coming out the back. Little 4-barrel action there, little 4-barrel. Just a great feeling to drive. You look out over the hood of one of these things and see those, 2 spears coming out of the hood. It's just a very 57 CHEVs for a very distinctive car. These were basically the working man's car, but the Bel Air was more the top of the line. They had the old 210 and the 210 two-door post that were the utilitarian type of car, but this car, if you had one of these, you were making it. Those disc brakes work a whole lot better than the old standard brakes. Engine runs just like the top. Everything on this car works as if it was brand new. So here we're coming back into 2018 from our drive. We truly appreciate Frank Moore for letting us drive this car today and experience it. So if you like what we do, like us on Facebook. Thanks for watching. See ya.